that we're trying to go to Palace of Versailles, but we got lost. We got on the wrong train, so now we're trying to find the right one. Did you find it?
No, it's almost a walk back to Louvre.
How far is it? 10 minutes walk? Oh gosh. So we're gonna go figure out first where it is, and then I'll check back in. Right, bye. We made it, but we're gonna go stop by McDonald's first because we missed our breakfast at the one that we bought.
The cafe?
So, or you want McDonald's? Okay, no. Wait. What are we doing?
Do you want the cafe or do you want to get actual?
No, I want actual food. So since we missed our thing earlier, it was at 10 o'clock. It's almost 11.
We're gonna try this again.
We're just gonna go get food. So guys, we're ordering, or we ordered already, so we have to pick it up over at the, what is it?
The register.
The register. I was gonna say the cashier, but
69, le 69. Le reste la fête, tu m'as dit.
no. Sounds right. Guys, look how tiny the juice are. They're so tiny. And then this is my coffee. That's his shot. It looks like a creamer, like where you put creamers. It's so cute. And there's Nutella. I think one of these are the pancakes and the other ones are the griddle. And we basically got the same food. So I think this is like the McGriddle. And this is like the pancake. You can open it. And it's a pancake. And this is the sandwich right there, and it has some sausage and bacon and cheese. Look how proud Ricky is finding a UPS driver in Versailles.
You don't have to wear black shoes like us. We're wearing like red New Balance.
Guys, that McDonald's was amazing. Ricky and I loved it.
Still raving about it.
And I think we're gonna have McDonald's again for dinner. So
Bank account feels a lot better eating there.
Guys, we're here. We don't know where we're going.
I do.
Where?
That way.
But is that skip the line?
We'll see when we get to the front.
We're so late, I don't even know if we're gonna get in.
Well, I think we'll get in, but we'll see.
So scary. We paid like 130 for it, but we're late because of all the stuff that had happened this morning.
Yeah, we had a 0% error to make it on time, and we had an error.
Yeah, about an hour worth of error. So pray for us, guys. Oh my god, guys, we made it finally. It's such a struggle to get in here. It was a drama. And but thank God.
Some of it was our fault, but then again, they're not very helpful.
But we're here. So guys, look at how pretty it is. I think there's like smudge on my camera. Okay guys, I cleaned my lenses because there's a bunch of smudge on there. Not sure if it's gonna be seen, but here it is. The gate is over there, as you can tell. But that skipped the line because we bought the skip the line on Viator, and it cost a lot of money, and we almost lost it. And the line is about 3 hours long.
I'm glad we didn't get the breakfast.
It's croissant.
It was trash.
But we had McDonald's. It was so good. So we're gonna go take pictures right now, guys. So guys, we're in and we were able to get our picture together. Tip number 1 is that you guys find a couple. If you guys are going as a couple, go find a couple that wants to get their picture taken too, and you guys just exchange favors. Guys, this is so beautiful. Sorry if my hair looks crazy, but look at this. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, there's so much rooms. How many rooms are in here? These are marble. Like real marble. Oh my goodness, how much are these? These marbles are nice. Not in the budget. Guys, look. Anyways, I'll check back in this. Look at the garden. I want to have a garden like this.
Have a garden? We can do that.
Yeah. You'll be my gardener, right? Where we came from, guys. Oh my god. Oops. Oh my god, guys. I almost tripped. Look. So guys, we're here. We just got snacks at Angeline's. This is the chocolate one, the hot chocolate, Coke water, and an eclair.
Oh, it's filled?
Is it? Hi guys. Hi guys, so we're taking a break right now. We're at Angeline's and Ricky tried the eclair already. I'm gonna try it right now. Oh, it is filled. Chocolate. If you guys haven't tried their chocolate, hot chocolate, it's really chocolatey. I like it though. So this is how it looks like. It has like that. Oh, shoot. Oops. It has the A on top. You won't be able to. Right there. And let's see. You don't like that? Really?
I feel like the inside. I like the outside. It's like, I don't know. I'm not crazy about the chocolate in the middle.
I think maybe it should have been like the cream.
Yeah,
like
a cream. But then again, that's just too generic. This is different, and I get it. It's different, but it just.
I like it.
Even if it was Nutella.
There's like a no. I wouldn't do Nutella. That's too generic for me. They do their own chocolate. They're not gonna do Nutella.
You can do like a texture like that, more of a.
Nutella is hazelnut.
Awesome. Maybe I did too much chocolate overload.
So guys, we're trying to go to the gardens now. Like literally out to the gardens. My feet are hurting already. Again. I think I need to fix my band-aid. So
Ella si potevi uscire da fuori, potevi dire ma prima un momento così. Wow. Madonna,
So there's the entrance to the garden. The garden's right there.
The shade is cooler than the shade. Let's go to the shade.
Guys, it's so hot. Ricky said it's gonna be cold today.
So she wore pants.
I'm wearing pants.
Or leggings.
Leggings and cardigan and a scarf and everything. I'm sweating. It's freaking hot. I was supposed to wear a dress today until Ricky told me it's gonna be like 66 degrees, 50 something degrees. Ooh. Should have worn shorts. It's too freaking hot. Like sweating. So I think I'm over it. As much as I want to see the whole entire place, it's freaking hot. Guys, I found the courage to walk for a little bit. We're trying to look for the Segway. And guys, look at this. Let me give you guys a better. It's so beautiful. I feel like it's like the one that you only see on movies.
And the middle is nothing, is neutral. Okay, neutral. Forward. I just show you how to start in the map.
Guys, so we're gonna go ride the cart.
Hello, and welcome
Golf cart.
aboard the little electric cars
So I can
of the
rest my
Chateau de Versailles.
feet.
An onboard
Yay!
audio guide will help you to discover the grounds of Versailles and will play
Ready?
automatically during your visit. Your vehicle is...
So Ricky has to use this map right here, and we have to stay on the red line. And
We don't stay in the red line, the vehicle will turn off.
yeah. If we would have turned, like if we would turn right over here, I guess there's a certain part of it that the car would just turn off, and the only thing that we could do is just back up.
We parked right over here.
Uh-huh.
It looks like to go to the fountain is going to be straight ahead this way.
Not this one. This not. What
That's
fountain?
another fountain too.
But what fountain?
We're right here. This one right here. The Neptune.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like we're going to go straight this way.
Guys, it would have been nice if we could ride horses. Right?
It'd be nice if we could actually take the damn thing down here.
I know. Why can't we? It's so
They have
weird.
it set up. They don't want you to be all in here.
That's so crazy. Anyways, look at me. I look like an old lady. Yeah. Guys, so we paid 34 euros.
Not yet. Not until we're done.
Guys, we're about to pay 34 euros for the golf cart. For the golf cart. We got that one so that we don't need to walk, and the, you know, the tour and the garden is gonna be a lot faster. But we still have to walk. This is crazy. just got out of the train and took a nap in the train. Now we're here. I want to sit down again. This trip has been so tiring for me. I don't know if it's because of work that I have a sedentary lifestyle, and this one's a little too... I didn't train for it. I think that's what it is.
I train every day.
He's like, I train every day. But that's so pretty.